please. Mr. President, in the council chambers this morning on the protocol to you, we have under the leadership of Sheikh, I pray the indulgence to allow them to introduce themselves so that we put the faces to the names before they introduce or before they let you know the reason why they are here.
والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين محمد المصطفى صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.
Are you good?
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
You're here to meet with Mr. President. Can we know why you're here?
Yeah, we are here to pay a courtesy call to the president and to show our solidarity and commendation and to commend him on the hard decisions that he has taken for the country, and also to request that expedite action must be taken to cushion the effects of the hard economic decisions that were taken, and also to bring out everything that is in the arsenal to face the problem of insecurity in this country, and also to achieve food security. And we also submitted to him the communique of our just concluded conference, which brought about Islamic scholars, academics, intellectuals, and civil society organizations to make a post-mortem of the 2023 elections and to create a consensus on the way forward for the country, which we'll present to government, and we presented the communique to him.
We're sure the president responded to you. What were the assurances you got?
We got very good assurances from the president, very encouraging remarks that call for us to continue praying intensely for the success of the administration and for peace and security and development of the country, which we have been doing, and we are intensifying our prayers for the country and for the leadership of the country.
Thank you.
Most welcome.